CustomTools 2024 Service Pack 0 allows you to define additional properties for SOLIDWORKS materials that are then automatically written to custom properties when the material is changed. This can be used, for example, to define required post-treatment for the material, sustainability information, as well as using the attached numerical values in arithmetic combinations. Material properties are defined in the profile options by attaching a lookup list with a combo box property having getMaterials before function. The attached lookup list is used to match the value column with SOLIDWORKS material name, and the additional columns can then be renamed and hold up to 15 properties for each material. These properties can be linked to custom properties using getLookupListColumn data function.
We are in the life-saving business. We kill your routines before they kill you.